Okay, so what I would like you to do very easily is we're gonna pull out the motor. Sometimes, this is a small shade, but your shade is probably gonna be bigger than this, so it's easier to sometimes have someone holding the actual shade once you have it down from the brackets, and then the other person holding the motor. So here's where the motor is. You're gonna pull it out of the shade. Sometimes it might need a little bit of force and pull to get out, but again, you can have someone holding the shade. And what we have here is on the motor, we have the drive is at the end of it, and the crown is loose, but it's you put it towards the top. So what's happening is when it's stuttering and going down like that, what most likely is happening is either the drive or the crown is not properly inside the grooves around the tube. As you can see, there's like little grooves around it. And on the drive, there's grooves all around it and grooves all around the crown. So what we do is pull out the motor completely, and then we're gonna just reinsert it back into the tube. So again, you match up the grooves that are around the drive first with the grooves in the tube, match them up, push it in, get to where the crown is, and then you're gonna do the same thing, match it to the grooves around the tube, match it right there, and then push it back in, and then reinstall your shade. And that should fix your issue with the stuttering or the rumbling noise in the motor, in the shade.